Turn that shit up.
What's up, guys? We back here with another YouTube video. As you could tell by the title, I'm gonna be giving y'all a POV drive and my Catless full bolt on Charger RT. Get them started. Yeah, I linked up with my boy Elijah. We're gonna go get some parts installed, cruise to LA, and just get y'all a little action, couple pulls, couple sound clips, flybys, all that. But I'm gonna hit y'all when we get back to the road. Actually, we just left the gas station right now. This nigga tripping. Watch out. He good now. I'm gonna let bro lead the way because he know where we going, but I don't, so. Hey, this shit low key is smooth. The things we do for content, right?
Big content, right? Big content. You got the POV going on. Do it again. Them good pops. Yes, sir.
Nah, you gotta show me how to do yours.
Huh?
You gotta show me how you do it. Your shit bust, huh?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What do you mean do mine?
Like how you make it pop. Your shit like pop loud as fuck.
Like this?
Yeah, like
Bow, 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 bow.
like that. I need that.
You gotta hit him with the flame on it. Gotta hit him with that one.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one for sure.
You gotta get him out of here.
Going to jail. You're going to jail.
Quit. You taking a 91 or the 105?
105.
All right, bet. You gonna make it right? Yeah.
I sent it to you.
Hold on. This shit look clean. The lights on.
That's the one. Oh my god. That shit crazy. That shit fucking crazy. That was on so manual is better?
I didn't even throw in the manual yet.
That shit crazy.
I just threw in the manual, watch.
That shit fucking crazy. That was on
That was an automatic.
so manual is better?
That shit go pop the whole way. But they outside today. Hopefully there ain't no traffic for real. They looking at me crazy. But yeah, I got the new steering wheel on there. I don't know if y'all can see the little lights on this shit, but I don't know how to get these two off. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna get it checked out soon, but damn, I didn't even fill up my tank for it. I put 30 in. I was only a quarter away. I should usually fill it up.
A few moments later.
Well. My boy done disconnected the drive shaft for doing all the bullshit. Hey, that's what we here for though, bruh. Never get left alone, my boy. We gotta see what it is now. Hopefully it ain't nothing too crazy.
Hopefully it's just a boat.
Gotta get it back on the road though.
All bad. Just my luck, man.
Just his luck. It's the second video we came to film and my boy couldn't finish it. First it was work and now it's a car issue.
Sorry, I'm not trying to hit it. Something like that.
That just means something. That means the next one that we pop out when we finish. He says, oh shit. It happened though, bro. It's a part of, you feel me? It's a part of loving cars and like you got on your window right here. It's a part of abused day.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn!
It's gonna get worked on. We already know what it is, so it's gonna be good.
3 days later.
What's up, y'all? It's about 2-3 days later from the incident. Car broke down. It's been down for about 2-3 days now. Look at her. She been down for a cool minute, but today we got the parts for it. They finally came in the mail, so we finna go pick those up. The homie Matt came in clutch for real. He let me use the car for today. So we finna drive to LA and make that happen. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned, I'm gonna be throwing in the SRTA differential. I already got the axles that at the shop waiting for me. I'm gonna slide and get those, so I'm gonna take y'all with me and show y'all what's up. First, we gotta load the differential up. It's my little junkyard. Anybody who need this manifold, hit me. Cats, I'll probably keep. Speedometer, hit me up. But yeah, hopefully we can install this bitch today because I had it for too long. Hopefully it's still good. And I'm gonna throw this in and get it tuned and go about that.
12 seconds later.
First thing first though, we gotta fill this bitch up because it's on E. So I'm gonna hook my boy up and fill this tank up real quick. Slide right. Yeah. Can you believe this nigga put 87 in this car? Some crazy shit, man. Let's see what I got in the tank. Pop that. Where's the button at? Oh, alright, my shit got a button you gotta press. It's a regular here.
What the fuck?
This nigga not on E85. I ain't paid regular price for gas and I don't know how long. Hear me out. I love this blue. I thought about wrapping my car this blue, but I had a different route, but shit. I'm about to go throw 60 in your shit, man. I'm sorry.
See, don't take that motherfucker down.
Since I didn't finish the POV drive on my car, I might as well give y'all one of his cars. It should not that loud like mine, but it should be something. Look, 6023, I got you. 60 is half a tank, nigga. What the fuck? Full tank of E85, $54. What the fuck? Not even gonna lie to y'all, it was hella traffic, so I didn't get to do the POV drive, but
take a slight right turn.
we pulling up to the shop right now. We got these axles. What are you doing? Move. Hold on. Let's slide up in here. This nigga car low as shit.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
This the cheapest road, I guess. You got the plug. I couldn't find no part outs with the axles, so
Arrived.
we're gonna have to make it work with this. Where's your piece?
That shit's so laggy. Is it supposed to look like that?
What?
It's laggy on my side.
It's good on this side.
Oh.
Fuck 50. I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
I got my parts. Yeah, you're not gonna help her brother out, like.
You can't get a video of her hand or the man. Put the shit on your hat like you said.
I gotta balance it right.
Cause you gotta walk all the way the fuck over there. I don't want them to see you. But yeah. See, he wanna be famous. Now you gotta work hard. 6 feet. All that tallness for nothing.
Shut up. Shut your bitch ass up, bitch.
Strongest shit for what? Look at you, about to bop your head. Duck, Tyler.
Relax.
Duck, Tyler. You see, this is a real beaut. Built by hand, driven by man. Abused by many.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright then.
Alright.
I'm gonna tap in with y'all.
You let me know when you're pulling up.
I might pull up right now.
Where?
To your house.
cap.
Alright, as you can see, access secure. Gotta see if they fit in the differential, but main part is secured. We going back to the strike. I think I'm gonna go to the car wash with the homie real quick and we're gonna go from there, but I gotta find a shop to turn my car off so I can tow it over there. And we gonna be straight.
3 weeks later.
I don't know what day it is. It's like 3 days later. Finally got all the parts I need. Loaded up on a tow truck. Towed it to the homie shop, so we're gonna see what they're talking about. They can't work on it today, but they said they should be able to take care of it tomorrow. So this is what happened for real. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the differential and the axles hanging out. Oh, sorry. You see what I'm talking about? Where it's hanging out the side.
Oh shit.
From one side, and the axle had popped out.
Damn.
I don't know if that bolt snapped off right there or what. Gotta fix everything. My friends came and picked me up.
Come with me?
What's up, twin?
I don't give you permission.
What's up, twin?
Hello, bro. Give me.
My twin.
Dogs out.
They always out.
It's really out.
Striker out.
Like, it's always out.
Alright, I'ma hop in his shit.
Your card over there.
My car walking this little shit, I'm sorry. Go ahead, kid, let me hear it. That shit butt. No.
Fuck no.
Let me hear yours.
It's okay though. It sound clean.
I like the way your car
Son got a muffler delete and think he big and bad now.
You're not really like that. You're not really him, like you say.
It's okay. Once I get my car fixed, you're the first victim.
better put the video of you winning.
And then I'm coming for him. I don't have that video.
I'll send it to you. Adrian got it.
Send it to me. You better send this one too when I dog you.
When you dog me, I'll post it.
All right, bet.
You're not.
That shit is loud. Imagine if you go straight pipe.
I just waited.
That shit would be too loud.
You's a stupid bitch. You know that, right?
Bro, this shit sound good. Cut him off, cut him off. You dumb bitch, man. This nigga slow, I swear.
Many months later.
What's up, y'all? I'm not gonna lie, it's been about like 3 weeks since I picked this camera up for real, but as you can see, I finally got the car back. Do y'all a little backstory of everything that happened to get to this point. So first of all, we gonna talk about the price. I'm damn near $3,000 in the hole just to go back stock for real. The whole plan for real was to throw that 306 differential, the SRT one, like I said in the beginning, in the car. Could not find the axles. I ordered axles. The axles I picked up did not fit. Hopped on Facebook, found some axles, bought those did not fit. And then I even ordered some online. The homie even drove 2 hours away to go pick up some axles off of Facebook, just to come and find out they did not fit. But yeah, so even when I tried to put my stock differential on, I couldn't even do that because the dude that did my first install, he stripped the bolt to my stock differential. So I had to go buy a whole nother differential, 5.7 differential, just to take the lid off, just to put my stock one back on. So even after all that, I had to go back to stock, buy all those parts basically for nothing. But it's back up, it's running. It feels a little weird like when I drive, but I'm still working on it. That's where we are right now. We're back to stock, got the car back, everything's so far running pretty good. But yeah, I've been down for too long, for real. I've been down for a couple of weeks, just trying to figure everything out, trying to sell these parts back, just to get some money back. But we back up and running, and yeah, we go from there. Like I said, it drives smooth. I just gotta fix my control arms, a little rattling up front, but it run pretty good, it yanked pretty good. Alright, watch. It feels good in the long run driving, but like off a dig, you can for sure feel it. It's a little rattling noise. I gotta get that checked out, but I'm pretty sure it's just the control arms for real. But I'm gonna take it in and get checked out, get an oil change and everything, and we should be straight after that.
Hey, turn that shit up.